Hello everyone, this is ToolBoxesAI here. And today, we are going to start a new YouTube channel with this first tech web tool, which consists of multiple tools which are really going to make your day. And it just does not state, but actually performs too, in fields like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, optical character recognition, context-aware AI assistant, and ultimately the rich document editor, which leads you to get the searchable texts or data exported. So guys, can you imagine? This tool is completely free of cost and offers advanced premium features for which others cost a lot. So what are we waiting for? Let us have an experimentation and complete overview of this complete feature set. So best of luck.
So family, what do you think? Was that voice generated by a human being? But it is actually not. It was the voice generated by the TTS tool featured by Smart OCR and TTS tool, whose website link is toolboxesai.com. So here is its welcome page, which looks like a modern web page, which seems to be an extraordinary web page with its known capabilities we are looking to. And for me, the context-aware AI feature is really praisable. Okay, now let us look at its fundamental advantage, which is its free availability and no installation at all. So without making any delay, let us launch the tool and see what is there in it, which is making it really dynamic and productive. Oh wow, this guided tour is very helpful for us. So let us quickly go through these steps and understand its fundamentals. So these steps show how can we easily master these features to actually use it quickly and efficiently. And I liked this feature, so what about you all? Anyways, let us go ahead because I am eagerly waiting to use this tool completely. So at first, let us try the OCR feature. Okay, this is the document language that we need to choose one. And yeah, that is a necessary step, so now let us test a PDF and see what the result is. We have two options, one with 90% accuracy, and the second one is with 99% accuracy. So of course, I am gonna choose the 99% one, and let us see what the actual result is. Oh wow, everything is correct, and even it has crossed its 99% accuracy, and the result seems 100% correct. Now let us test the text-to-speech feature, and even whatever I am speaking is the voice generated by this tool only. So now I will be handing over the commentary part to the actual developer, who will be continuing from nowhere onwards.
वेल एवरीवन, अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने बिना स्किप किए इस वीडियो को देखा होगा तो आप लोग बिल्कुल अवेयर हो चुके होंगे कि एक्चुअली OCR फीचर एंड टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच फीचर इस टूल का कैसा फंक्शन करता है। तो अब हम लोग देख रहे हैं कुछ AI टूल्स को। लाइक अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि ग्रामर फिक्स का क्या फीचर है हमारे पास। लाइक ये है डिफ फीचर, जिसमें हम करेक्टेड एंड इनकरेक्ट वर्जन्स को साइड बाय साइड कंपेयर करके देख सकते हैं और बाकी जो भी मिस्टेक्स हैं हम उसको करेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। तो फाइनली अभी हमने एक्सेप्ट किया करेक्टेड वर्जन को जिसमें 0 मिस्टेक्स है। एंड दिस कोलैबोरेशन शोज दैट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस अलॉन्ग विद ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड दे कैन लीड टू हायर एक्यूरेसी। अब ये टूल सिर्फ इसलिए स्मार्ट नहीं माना जाता कि ये एक तो फंक्शंस को कंप्लीट कर सकता है, बट इसके पास और भी काफ़ी सारी फीचर्स हैं लाइक ट्रांसलेशन, कीवर्ड्स फाइंडिंग एंड ऑल। लाइक टेक्स्ट मैनिपुलेशन करने के लिए काफ़ी सारे इसके पास फीचर्स हैं। लाइक अभी हम ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं हिंदी लैंग्वेज में एंड लेट्स सी कि कितनी एक्यूरेसी से ये ट्रांसलेट कर सकता है। लाइक वी कैन सी कि जो भी इंग्लिश में डेटा हमारे पास थे जॉफरी चौसर के बारे में, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर हिंदी में एक्यूरेट वर्डिंग्स के साथ दी गई हैं। नाउ लेट अस एक्सप्लोर एंड अनदर टूल विच कन्वर्ट्स स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट, विच इज़ ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट फीचर। अभी टूल क्या कर सकते हैं, लाइक अगर किसी को दिक्कत आ रही है टाइपिंग करने में और स्पीडी फंक्शन करना है, दे कैन ऑफ कोर्स यूज दिस टूल। नाउ लेट अस चेक द ऑल लैंग्वेजेस एंड वॉइसेस दैट वी हैव इन स्टैंडर्ड TTS. Like you all guys can see, a lot of natural languages are there and even voices, a lot of voices we can see. And yes, you all guys can be benefited with all these voices only if you have Bing browser that is from Microsoft. Okay, so now we have selected only a one major language, that is English, and now we can see the major voices that we can get from Bing in this language English. So now we have selected a voice and let us see how it is.
9 The Canterbury Tales in 1400 Professor F. And Robinson's complete works of Geoffrey Chaucer is remarkable for many things. Most of all, perhaps, for the best text we have, but hardly less for the extraordinarily comprehensive survey in his commentary of the mass of earlier scholarship. He gives a clean picture of the views held by most scholars today. Some relate to the arrangement and possible revision of the Canterbury Tales. These subjects obviously depend closely on the history of the work shortly before and after Chaucer's death, but as
Okay, now I hope you have got an idea of the audio that is from standard TTS. And yes, we cannot download these audios, but yes, we have premium audios too that we can download and use for the either commercial and non-commercial purposes, and for any other purposes for the voiceover and all. Okay, here is one more selected voice for you.
Geoffrey Chaucer is remarkable for many things. Most of all, perhaps, for the best text we have.
Okay, now it is necessary to pause this voice and try any another voice. Okay, let us try this Jessica one and let us see how actually it is. And yes, we have masterpiece realistic voices which are especially for you all. So let us first hear this voice.
Complete works of Geoffrey Chaucer is remarkable for many things. Most of all, perhaps, for the best text we have, but hardly less for the extraordinarily comprehensive survey in his commentary of the mass of earlier scholarship. He gives a clean picture of the views held by most scholars today.
Okay everyone, I hope you have got the idea of this voice too. So now let us check how many languages are there and whether they have all voices or not. So first of all, starting with this British language, and actually we have seen the American one already. So now it is Japanese one. So see, now Hindi one we have 4 voices and we will try this too. Okay, first of all we need to translate, no? Okay, we have translated the language to Hindi and then we will try to copy and then paste these Hindi text into the text input area and then format to here. Afterwards we will yes, this beta one will be better. Okay, click on play. Right.
तो के लिए उल्लेखनीय है, शायद सबसे बढ़कर हमारे पास मौजूद सर्वोत्तम पाठ के लिए, लेकिन पहले की छात्रवृत्ति के व्यापक सर्वेक्षण के लिए भी ये कम महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। वह आज के अधिकांश विद्वानों के विचारों की एक स्पष्ट तस्वीर प्रस्तुत करते हैं। कुछ तारांकन कैंटरबरी टेल्स तारांकन की व्यवस्था और संभावित संशोधन से संबंधित हैं। ये विषय स्पष्ट रूप से चौसर की मृत्यु से ठीक पहले और बाद के कार्य।
सो इन सभी वॉइसेस को सुनने के बाद एनीवन कैन इंटरप्रेट एंड यस दे कैन से यस दीज वॉइसेस आर रियली रियलिस्टिक एंड हाँ, हिंदी की वॉइस तो सच में ऑथेंटिक लग रही थी। सो गाइस लेट अस प्रोसीड हेड बिकॉज ऊपर के 3 टूल्स तो सिर्फ 60% ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट कवर कर रहे थे, बट हाँ अब बारी है कॉन्टेक्स्ट अवेयर एआई की, जिसमें हमारे पास कॉन्टेक्स्ट का फीचर है। लाइक आप लोग देख सकते हो टिक बॉक्स, अगर ये टिक्ड हो इसका मतलब ये है कि डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया जो हमारा आउटपुट एरिया था उससे ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कनेक्टेड है और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को पता है कि आपका डॉक्यूमेंट क्या है, बस आपको सिर्फ मैसेज करना है और बाकी ये सारे आउटपुट और अंडरस्टैंड करके आप जो भी इसको क्वेश्चन करोगे ये आपको रिस्पॉन्ड भी करेगा। सो नाउ वी कैन सी द एआई हैज़ स्टार्टेड रिस्पॉन्डिंग एंड येस इट लुक्स लाइक कि हाँ ये प्रॉपर समरी प्लस जो भी डिटेल्स दे सकता है इस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड कि जिससे यूज़र अच्छे से इस डॉक्यूमेंट के बारे में समझ पाए। ओके आफ्टरवर्ड्स हम देखते हैं कि क्या ये क्वेश्चंस आउटपुट करके देता है। लाइक हमारे पास जो डॉक्यूमेंट है हम चाहेंगे कि उस डॉक्यूमेंट के थ्रू कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमें बना कर दे जिससे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स है वो अपना प्रिपरेशन कर सकें। क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ इट विद देयर आंसर्स। ओके नाउ वी विल हैव टू वेट, क्या सच में क्वेश्चंस जनरेट करके दे रहा है, क्या सच में एआई अच्छे से फंक्शन कर रहा है या नहीं। ओके गाइज यू कैन सी it has started generating authentic questions that are which are really related to the document and really they are authentic and correct, so there's no doubt. Now let us ask the answer of first question that it has given. Answer the question. So now guys, you can see it has started generating the answer, which seems totally correct. And yes, this is the last question we are trying to solve and get the answer, and then finally we will try to get to the last feature of this tool, which is our rich document editor, and we will try to get this answer and these questions to the editor to finally export these data, so that whenever we need all those data in future, we can get through it. Some users might still be thinking why we are just praising this tool, as there are many AI platforms where they can chat and get the answers. But yes, we are praising this tool because this tool is dynamic, because it has a lot of tools together, and it just create a workflow without needing to jump among various websites. Okay, so now you can see how easily we are just getting through our documents, digitalizing, getting our text extracted, and then getting our text manipulated and all these things. And even we are getting through the text to speech or speech to text, and then finally we are getting the answers through the AI, and finally exporting a document through the document rich editor. So this is the workflow, and we are actually saving a lot of time. So that's why this tool is special and is considered by many people. So if you also wish, you may visit this website and use this tool effectively, which is free of cost, and even the text to speech that has 10,000 characters allotted to each user, which is really generous to every user. If you guys come to know in future that these character limit are still less, then this is the YouTube channel where you guys may comment, and yes, we can ponder upon to increase the character limit, because we prioritize the benefit of our users, their privacy, and yes, we are really concerned about them. So this is the blog website on which you can see what characteristic, what features that we have. And yes, we have kept our website for 3 months for free, so you may guys enjoy this tool, which is really productive. And yes, in future we are going to create more such productive websites which are going to help you all. And if you guys need to get your websites built, then yes, you may either comment on the YouTube channel or contact us via the contact page. And yes, we are here to get your websites built which are really authentic, professional, and yes, you can monetize that website too. And yes, if you have found this website and this video as productive, then yes, you may like this video and subscribe the YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook too. Thank you so much. Goodbye.